KASPA is getting its first full EVM DeFi layer, Igra Network. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around KASPA, this is the place for you. KASPA price shot up to a 7-week high of $0.041 on Thursday before settling at $0.037 at press time. It has now confirmed a breakout from a multi-year falling wedge pattern, which could spur more gains ahead. According to data from Crypto.news, KASPA rallied to a 7-week high of $0.037 on March 19th. Trading at $0.037 at press time, the token is up nearly 42% from its year-to-date low. Technicals suggest that the token could still jump at least another 50% before hitting exhaustion. On the daily chart, KASPA price has broken out of a multi-year falling wedge pattern formed of two descending and converging trend lines. Typically, when an asset breaks out from the upper side of the pattern, it sees strong upside over the following days. In KASPA's case, the upside scenario is further reinforced by bullish signals from technical indicators. The super trend, a tool used to measure market trend direction and volatility, flashed a green signal as the price moved above the key overhead trend line. Additionally, the Arun indicator shows the Arun up at 92.86%, while the Arun down was at 14.29%, suggesting that a powerful new uptrend is currently in control. For now, the immediate resistance for KASPA lies at $0.038, the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level drawn from the May 12th high of $0.13 last year to the October 10th low of $0.0090. A decisive breakout from here with strong volume can push its price to $0.05, which aligns with the next Fibonacci retracement level and lies nearly 51% above the current price. Let's talk about the latest news from KASPA KASPA is getting its first full EVM DeFi layer via Igra Network, which brings audited smart contracts and high throughput on KASPA's proof-of-work BlockDAG. Igra Labs has launched the Igra Network mainnet, a decentralized EVM-compatible execution layer built on KASPA's proof-of-work BlockDAG. After 6 months of testing with over 730,000 transactions and 21 million blocks processed without state divergence, Igra launched details. The network targets over 3,000 transactions per second with sub-second inclusion latency, giving KASPA a smart contract environment that was previously missing and was a major reason a DeFi TVL stayed under $1 million despite strong activity. Igra operates as a based rollup where KASPA miners order transactions but cannot read their contents, which aims to provide protocol-level resistance to MEV, front-running, and censorship while inheriting KASPA's proof-of-work security. What this means, KASPA moves from being mostly a payments and transfer chain to supporting programmable DeFi and dApps without changing its core consensus. At launch, around 15 protocols are deploying on Igra, including Cascade, an Aave 3-style lending market, Uniswap v2 DEX, continuous auction infrastructure, Hyperlane-based cross-chain messaging, and USDC.e bridging, plus KRC20 and NFT bridges and wallets ecosystem lineup. KASPA's native token wraps one-to-one into EKS via a trust-minimized bridge and is used as the gas token on Igra, so any sustained DeFi usage on the EVM layer directly consumes KAS liquidity. Partners linked to the ecosystem reportedly manage over $5 million of TVL, which offers seed liquidity, but real impact will depend on how much fresh capital and user activity migrates into KASPA DeFi over the next few months. What this means, if Igra's DEXs and lending markets gain traction, KAS could see a structural increase in utility as gas and collateral, not just as a speculative asset. KAS has already seen a sharp move, with multiple analyses noting a roughly 30% weekly gain to a multi-week high, strong volume, and very high RSI, readings that signal overbought conditions and possible short-term pullbacks. Technical overview. Another cross-market review highlights KASPA as a bullish outlier, while many altcoins look fragile, but again flags RSI in the 80s, and price at the upper Bollinger Band as overheating signs market scan. Near term, the most informative metrics will be total value locked on Igra, DEX volumes, stability and security of the Ks to EKS bridge, and the outcome of the upcoming IGRA token auction on Zap, which could influence incentives and governance. The fundamental upgrade is real, but the price has front-run the story, so the key edge is tracking whether on-chain usage justifies the move or stalls after initial hype. What do you think will KASPA continue to grow? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest news about KASPA and other cryptocurrencies. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your